Hello everyone, welcome today, yes, it's Wednesday, yes, Wednesday, July the 14th, 2021. We have here a lot of Sudokus or puzzles, 3 regular Sudokus, a binary one, a medium one, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 7 extra Sudokus or puzzles. But first I will solve these 3 regular Sudokus. And starting with the binary. And we have no good news because the numbers for Corona, people are infected with Corona, the numbers are not good. It's increasing. So I believe that this fourth wave, yes, the fourth wave or the lockdown is coming soon. So I thought after 29 weeks the lockdown will be finished, but I think the lockdown will come back. So no good news. Anyway, first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3092. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 4 ones, and the last one should be in one of these 3 boxes. Otherwise, we have 3 O's here. Not allowed, one of the rules. So those 3 boxes should be an O. Okay. Let me start with the O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 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 We have 4 ones, and I believe the 5th one should be one of these 3 boxes. Otherwise, we have 3 O's. So this box should be an O. That box should be also an O because we have a double O there. Double 1 here. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, a double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. Okay. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Alright. And I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, 5th O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Then. Let me blow my nose. All right. Let me see. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. Otherwise, we have 3 O's. So this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. I think this should be an O because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Then. Yeah. And now, do I need to compare? I cannot compare. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and the 5th O. So this should be in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 8 minutes. Wow! And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Just go below and you find the link. If you enjoy this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku with... No, it's a medium Sudoku, yes. I will continue with the Sudoku Medium. See you then. Bye-bye for now.